This is an Iveco daily 2.8 ECU from around 2003 or 4. Part number 02810 11228, known as an EDC 16C8. One of the common problems with these are burnt power input pins, usually from short circuit or boost charging with the wrong current or voltage. And it's very easy to spot. I've already taken the cover off of the ECU. You get a hot spot, burn mark, immediately above the pins which are burnt. So, dead centre of the screen, those two pins there correspond with a couple of the power pins, which are the larger ones on the right of the left hand connector. And it's a multi-layered PCB, so in my opinion or experience it's not repairable. It's scrap and you need a replacement. They're easily cloned, and that basically makes it plug and play. And the ECUs themselves are available at anything from about 60 quid to sort of 300 quid on eBay.